Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Kawasaki Ninja 250R. This is the lightweight twin-cylinder sport bike, super popular for the last 20 years. This bike only has 2,110 miles. Great condition, beautiful satin black metallic with some yellow stripes. Excellent fuel economy, almost 70 miles per gallon. Great commuter, great first bike to start off on. It's all stock. Only $34.99. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web at www.contracostaps.com, where we have as many as 30 or 35 clean used bikes at any one time. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.